Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to edit a PDF in Google Drive. The first step is to click on your PDF to open it, so double click it. Right now up here you will have the option to open in Google Docs. So click on that option and Google Documents will right now try to extract everything from that PDF and write it for you so you can change everything you want. So let's say I will delete this first sentence, this first question, and then in order to add it to Google Drive you have to wait while it saves. So it said saved, and then you have to download it. So click on File right here, Download, and PDF document. Then select the path where you want to download it. So let's say in Downloads, and press Save. And then you can simply upload it next to this file or even delete this PDF from, so right click and delete it, move to bin, go to Finder and upload your other PDF, which is your edited PDF. Click on that so you can see this heading is now gone. So this is how you can simply edit PDF in Google Drive. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.